Step 1. Find the asymptote. For y equals to ln x plus 2 to be defined, the expression within the logarithmic function has to be greater than 0. This gives x plus 2 greater than 0, so x is greater than negative 2. Hence, the graph is on the right side of the line x equals to negative 2, and the line x equals to negative 2 is the asymptote. The asymptote x equals to negative 2 does not lie on the axis, so we need to indicate the asymptote x equals to negative 2 by a dotted line and label with its equation x equals to negative 2 in the sketch. Step 2. Find the intercepts. When x equals to 0, we get y equals to ln 2. When y equals to 0, solving this logarithmic function, we will have x plus 2 equals to 1 since e to power 0 is 1. This gives x equals to negative 1 as the x-intercept. Label the x and y-intercept in the sketch. The shape of the logarithmic function will look like one of these two shapes, or a reflection of this about the y-axis or the x-axis. If you need to, you can check with some values of x. As the value of x decreases, the graph will get nearer and nearer to the asymptote x equals to negative 2. As the value of x increases, the value of y will increase slower and slower. This is a wrong example.